Tired of that leftover travel money sitting on your Thomas Cook Forex card? Let's get it back into your bank account, hassle-free. First, head to the Thomas Cook website and log into your Forex card account using your credentials. You'll find the login portal usually in the Forex or card section of the website. Make sure you have your card details handy. Once you're logged in, look for the transfer funds, withdraw funds, or a similarly named option. It might be under a manage card or card services menu. Click on it. Now, you'll need to enter your bank account details. This usually includes the account number, bank name, IFSC code, and the account holder's name. Double-check these details carefully, as any errors could delay or prevent the transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your Forex card to your bank account. Pay close attention to the available balance displayed on your screen, and be aware of any transaction fees that might be applicable. These fees are usually displayed clearly before you confirm the transfer. Review all the details one last time. This confirmation page summarizes the amount being transferred, the destination bank account, and any associated fees. If everything looks correct, click the confirm button. You may be prompted to enter an OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email address for security purposes. After successful confirmation, you'll see a transaction confirmation message with the transaction ID. The funds should be credited to your bank account within a few business days. Depending on your bank, you can also check your transaction history to monitor the status of the transfer. That's it. You have successfully transferred the funds.